Hello, beautiful people.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Thank you for joining us.
Yes, so as
Today,
you see, we want to prepare fresh corn. So follow us as we're about to prepare this
corn.
Yes.
Right. It's rainy season here, and we have this hot to eat this fresh corn. So we want to prepare this fresh corn. So join us as we're about to prepare it. Okay. So I will assist my wife to do some hard work. Wow, the corn is fresh.
This is fresh.
If you have not watched our Maize steamed corn, the video is on our YouTube channel. That was the last time we brought our corn. Okay. This is the last one. So, me, I'm through with the hard part of it, so she will continue while I pick up the camera.
This is salt. So beautiful people, as you can see, we are waiting for the corn to get ready, and the kids are back. I think where is the Manuela? Manuela, bring the plate. Thank you. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. We want to eat corn, okay? Sweet and fresh corn. Please. If you are just seeing us for the first time, welcome to Leah's Crane. This is our cooking. We are preparing corn. Yes. Let me show beautiful people the corn. Hey.
Philip, over there we sweet immediately. Wow. The corn is ready to eat.
Mama.
Oh, let me do it like this. It's okay like this, Abby. Kajele, you know.
Let's eat this one. Why not off the fire?
Yes.
Off the fire.
Wow, this is very hot.
It's not so. Yeah. Manila. Wow. Manila, this corn is too hot. You wait.
I put it in a smaller plate.
Bye.
Hey, beautiful people. Yes, I'm coming.
I will be block for it. That's bye. Philip will feel sweet yellow. It's not good.
Wow.
Put your sweet here.
This is hot and delicious. Wow. Yes, that is a good idea. It's hot to see. I'm just holding it. It's hot. Wow. This is indeed a very fresh corn.
It's hot.
It will just get cold. Gradually. It's hot. You'll be removing it small. Like all this. No, I have for them. Oh. Woo. Even let me cut this one too. Wow. Beautiful people, here we are. Philip, it's hot though. That's to wash away the salt.
The salt, all pimple your skin. Moto.
It's okay.
You are not like Jaguar now. So, this is salt water.
Salt water.
It's
so
hot.
it will reduce the hotness.
Wait. Go back to me.
Yeah, put it. It's still hot. Philip, wait, wait more. Wait more.
Crispy to jar with you.
Beautiful people, please, you are invited though.
You are invited though, please.
We still have some corn here.
Yes.
What was I thinking?
Not
You see the
corn.
smoke?
Ah.
You can give Philip now, I believe. Come at it with him.
I believe.
Philip, take. You can put the rest there so that it will be getting cold.
Possible. Possible.
Now, wow. This pear. In Nigeria, there's this pear we used to eat corn.
Ah.
I've never seen it in my life in Ghana.
Not only avocado.
It's only avocado we have here. They call that pear ube.
No ube for Ghana. But avocado, Ghana lo ni avocado.
I tell you.
Avocado no come up for Nigeria at all. No. But this pear.
There are some plants like in Nigeria, it's common. Over here, it's not common. Like in Ghana here, I've never seen garden egg, the green one. In Nigeria, we have the green one, many. But in Ghana, the garden egg you see here are the white ones. I miss that green garden egg with granules. You know, they say if you go to Rome, you behave like Roman. So here in Ghana, it is what we see, we eat. Wow, this is delicious.
To get Nigeria things for Ghana, you will spend more money.
Yes, like ugu. If you want to get ugu here, hey, like if you have not watched our banga soup, that ugu was the one we planted. I brought it all the way from Nigeria to come and plant here. Out of 10 seeds, about only 3 survived. Wow. Thank you for watching.
That is how we cook our fresh corn and we eat it.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
To subscribe. If you are just not for the first time,
Yes.
please.
Press that
You are
button.
highly welcome.
Share that video with your friends and family. And once again, we still have some corn, so you are invited. Philip, you still want?
Oh
yeah, eat. There's still more. There's still more. So beautiful people, see you in our next video. Bye bye. Mwah.